Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video, I'll share with you guys my first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, so keep watching. Now first off, just in case you guys have missed it, during the Galaxy Unpacked event less than half a day ago, they first introduced the Galaxy Fold, which is a very unique foldable phone, and then they have not only introduced one but four phones in total, which is the Samsung Galaxy S10e, the S10, the S10 Plus, and also the S10 5G, which is a high-end phone that is looking to release later this year. Then there's also the release of the brand new Galaxy Buds and the Galaxy Watch Active and Fit. Now thanks to Samsung Malaysia, I had a quick hands-on with the S10 Plus variant, and here's my first impressions. Now starting from the design, looking at the back of the phone, it has a really nice ceramic finish with the Gorilla Glass 6 with the aluminium built at the sides. Then the triple cameras are placed at the back on a horizontal position right in the middle, and then there's no fingerprint sensor at the back, as there is a newly introduced ultrasonic fingerprint sensor which is in front in the display, which is currently the fastest that I've ever experienced on any other phone. Then the phone now also supports wireless power share, which allows you to charge other devices wirelessly at the back of the phone. Now the S10 Plus comes in two colors for you guys to choose from. The one which I've gotten my hands on is the beautiful ceramic white, #whitelove, and then there's also the ceramic black. Now as for the phone screen, it has a 6.4-inch Quad HD Plus curved dynamic AMOLED screen, which is obviously Samsung's #1 forte, and then the phone also introduced the brand new laser cutout Infinity O display, so yes, there's still no ugly notch, and then the screen comes with a resolution of 1440 by 3040 pixels and a higher 19 by 9 aspect ratio. Now as for the phone spots and buttons, looking down below, there's the headphones jack, respect, with Dolby and AKG sound support, and then there's USB-C port, which is a 3.1 port, and then one of the two stereo speakers, which is available over down below, and the other on the earpiece. Then looking on the left, there's the volume rockers and also the Bixby button, which apparently right now can be remapped, so I can't wait to try that. Then there's the power button on the right side, and on top you'll find the SIM card slot, which is also the SD card slot, which supports up to 512 gigs of storage. Now as for the phone's cameras, there's three cameras. One is the 12 megapixel f2.4 telephoto lens, a 12 megapixel variable aperture of f1.5 to f2.4 wide angle lens, and then there's the ultra wide angle 16 megapixel f2.2 aperture, where you can easily change the focal length inside of the camera app. So yes, I'm super eager to test it out in my full video review of the phone, so stay tuned for that and subscribe to this channel if you guys haven't. Now as for the front camera, it has a dual camera. One is a 10 megapixel f1.9 aperture and a depth sensor of 8 megapixel with a f2.2 aperture, where you can change the focal length accordingly in the app as well. Now as for the phone's video recording capabilities, Samsung has mentioned that it has a super steady high quality video recording at UHD 2160p, which I can't wait to test that out as well. And of course, what's really nice is the newly added UHD 2160p video recording for the front camera, so that is really nice. Now as for the insides of the phone, it has the Exynos 9820 chipset here in Malaysia, coupled with 8 gigs of RAM with either 128 gigs or 512 gigs of storage. And in terms of software, it comes shipped with Android 9 Pie with Samsung's brand new One UI, which is also a welcoming feature since it is definitely a better experience than the Samsung experience previously when I tested the UI on the S9 Plus and also the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And the phone comes with Bluetooth 5.0 with aptX HD high quality audio streaming, and also it comes with a brand new Wi-Fi 6 standard, making it possible for better Wi-Fi performances and especially future-proof when connected to a compatible router. Then the phone is also powered with the huge 4100 mAh of battery, and of course, once I get my hands on the device, I'll do a full battery test. Now let's talk about the phone's price. Here in Malaysia, the 128GB storage variant is going for 3,699 ringgit and the 512GB variant is retailing at 4,599 ringgit and is available for pre-orders beginning 22nd February at 10 AM until 28th of February while stocks last. And for more info on the special pre-order bundle, I will leave links to that at the description below. So guys, with this, do let me know what you guys would like to know about the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus at the comment section below. And as usual, I'll answer every single questions of you guys during my full review of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick first impressions video. If you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in the next video.